Welcome friends to Aarambh 2025. Here's to new beginnings and endless possibilities at Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, a home away from home. With a positive and bright start, the school has conducted Fresher'S party welcoming new students for the session 2025-26 on 11th April 2025. Step into this new chapter with open hearts and minds. Let us make it an unforgettable journey together. We come together not just to talk about the exciting journey ahead, but to begin it with enthusiasm and joy. There was an array of performances by the new students. Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, a school where talent is discovered, encouraged and celebrated from day one. At Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, dance is more than art. It is a powerful expression of confidence and joy. Watching our new students dance with such great joy and confidence reflects the nurturing spirit of our campus. Even though they come from such diverse places, yet they could mingle up in such a short time and give up their best. Voices blossom and dreams find their tune. At Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, every new voice adds a fresh note to our harmonious tradition. Grace meets confidence as our new students walk the ramp at our school. With every step on the ramp, our new students begin writing their own stories, filled with grace, poise, and the spirit of our school. The in-charge principal, Mrs. Achala Verma, welcomed and addressed all the students who put so much effort into presenting exceptional performances and contributed in one or the other way to make this event a grand success. The manager, Dr. Mrs. M. Kasturi, congratulated the new students for their participation in showcasing their talent. She also appreciated the existing students for volunteering in organizing the program and mentioned that the school is proud of their students. This event was organized by the school's student secretary. Let us carry forward the bond forged today and continue to support and uplift one another in our shared journey of learning and growth.